In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of blocking websites on your iPhone device. Regardless of whether you want to reduce time spent on social media, prevent access to specific sites during work hours, or ensure a safer experience for your children, the steps you will learn will assist you in gaining a higher level of control over the content you consume on your device. First, you need to open the settings on your phone. After that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the screen time option. Click on it. If this option is not enabled, click on Turn on Screen Time at the top of the screen. To block a website on your iPhone device, we'll use Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions at the bottom of the screen. Enable this option if it's disabled. Then, click on Content Restrictions. A page will open where you can set various restrictions for music, video content, and much more. We need the Web Content option, which is located here. Here, you have 3 different options: Unrestricted Access, Limit Adult Websites, and Allowed Websites. We can choose Allowed Websites and create a list of websites that your iPhone can visit. But if you want to block a specific website from the list, you need to click on Limit Adult Websites. Here, you can add the websites you want to allow and the websites you want to block. For example, if you want to block Google, click on Add Website here and then enter the website link. In this case, it's google.com. Now, let's check if our website is blocked. Open Safari, and I'll try to open google.com. You can see that it doesn't allow us to access the website and it's blocked. We hope we've taught you how to block a specific website on your iPhone. If we have, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.